Hello there. Good morning. Holy shit, brother. Like crazy. Yesterday night we reached over here for 2 o'clock and I'm not 2 o'clock, 1:30 and I slept at 2 o'clock. So going to office is not gonna make sense because we haven't our lectures pending, brother. So I took the holiday. Oh my god, brother. So let's get wake up and let's get ready. The issue is Dad don't know that I took the holiday. If Dad is going to come within Pride thing, so half an hour, and if he got that I took the holiday, going to be then he will force me to go to the job. Why you fucking took the holiday? I don't know. You just need to go. I don't know what else you going to do the home at home, and I'm like, this is going to get. So we'll see like what will happen. But before that, I'm going to get ready as fast as possible. It's 8:49. I have to get ready till 9:49. Any then from 9:49 to 11, I'm gonna fully schedule this, and I'm gonna use this day to finish all my pending lectures up till today, so that I can be on track rather than getting out of track. Holy shit! I just saw today is Sunday, and Dad has the holiday. Brother, my voice is also saying that you can't even. Today is Dad. Today is Sunday and Dad has a holiday. Fuck. Means Dad is going to be at home. Shits. Means he's probably gonna force me to go to the. I'm really sure about this. He's pretty much going to come within one hour. He gone out. He gone out. He's coming home now. It's 10:16. Look at this 10:16. So let's open. Oh, it's required password now. So let's start the. First of all, the game looks like the plan for today looks like. Oh yeah, Dad came and Dad gone to the job. So he says like, why you took the holiday? His job is not that important than lectures. And I'm like, yeah, you're true. Lectures is more important for me than job. Bullshit motherfucking job. I didn't say it, but this is what I done. And he's like, fuck, he's crazy. Yeah. So then he took the holiday. Then he retook that holiday and he gone to the job, and I'm at home. But I'm just going to use this time to the perfection. Here's the game plan, man. There is so much hitness right here. Fuck me. So here's the game plan. Fuck. So here's the game plan looks like. First of all, I'm going to do the analysis for like 1 hour or something, 1 to 2 hours. The analysis for the next week, the trades which we're going to take for the next week. That is what we're going to get happen for next 2 hours. So right now, 10, 17, 10, 17, 10, 11, 12, 12, 17 to 12:30. We'll be finishing the 2 hours of analysis for the next week. From 12:30 to 1 o'clock, we'll do the dinner. And from 1 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock, we're going to sit and going to do the trading lectures. That is $100 to $1 million challenge. That is where like I probably guess we were on a fourth lecture or something. I need to see. So this is how the game plan looks like. So simple. You just need to follow it to come back to the successful at the end of the day. And will if I just do the things which is need to be done, I will back on track. Pending lectures which we are was having from the whole week will get finished by end of today. Let's do it. There, I was doing trading analysis and there was an issue now. I mean, the neighbors wanted to remove the car, so I have to take it back. My car was ahead in front of them, so they was like, "Will you please remove it?" And I'm like, "Why not?" And they have removed it, and they are removing right now. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, this is how it looks like. After they remove, then we're going to pretty much going to go ahead, go inside. Yes, finally the currencies are done, and I am so fucking sleepy. When I was doing that currency analysis, and guess what? I decided to take only one quick nap of 10 minutes, and it does increase the sleep. Fuck. So let's look at this. We have successfully finished the analysis of the currency which we wanted to take the trade. So first currency I will be interested in Euro JPY and Euro JPY. Let's go on the 4 hours time frame. If you go on the 4 hours time frame, this is what I want: the clean break and then clean retest. Over here I will look for my entry signal. If I get my entry signals, then I will be taking the trade to the upside. This is my first pair. This is going to come on Monday. The next is GBP NZD. In a GBP and ZD, I want a price to come to this area and push to the downside. Next is a UD and ZD, price to come to this area to push to the downside. Next is GBP CAD, price to come to this area, have my enter signal, then push to the upside. Next is Euro USD, price I need the good amount of break, good amount of retest, and push it up. This are the currencies which I'm interested extremely to take the trade. That's it. So I'm just going to take the only one currency for this particular week, and I've also reduced the risks per trade to how much? 0.04%, which is a $40 of $100,000. $40 per trade is doesn't make sense, but right now I just need to have saved the account rather than just risking more and just blowing it up, because if I blown up I don't get another, so I just can't. So now is my eyes are red? Is it now? So let's get our lunch done. Once the lunch is done, then I'm probably going to be stand up and doing the leg. So let's further. So lunch is done. So now let's do the trading study. We're going to do the lecture. I think so 4 or 5. I need to see. So I'm going to watch the lecture over here. I'm going to do the analysis over here. And if I'm going to have a sleepy, I'm going to shoot that to make it make it show to whole world and to my future Udesh that how I was tackling. Signing off, let's go. I'm going to keep this phone this outside over here just to have an internet. Hey guys, so I was a bit sleepy, so I was literally standing over here. Man, look at the setup. I was literally standing over here like this, like widening my legs to have my height over here, because if I just stand it like this, it will be like, oh, so that's why I'm doing like this, so I can have this. So I was doing this, okay? I was doing the trading study, but I mean I was doing the trading study by sitting over here like this, like this. But then I was having sleepy feeling, and the time this clock is off. Okay, you will see the exact same time on all of videos. So I was feeling sleepy, so then I was like, let's just take the coffee. I tried to find the coffee, but my mom kept the coffee somewhere else. But I tried to find, and it was I finally found one coffee successfully. Drank it, and within like I probably guess so 15 minutes or 10-15 minutes, I'm like crazy. I'm like full of energy right now. This coffee thing works. I was thinking coffee was not working for me, but now coffee is working like anything. I'm literally getting sweaty because my heart is so fast beating and I'm wanna run. Coffee is a beautiful thing I came up across. Let's do this trading study, and the setup looks brilliantly beautiful. Yeah, let's go. I'm keeping the phone outside. Just wanna update coffee thing work. Hi there. So now we came on terrace with this bullshit motherfucking Doraemon. Hey, पडशीन सर इकडे चल सरक साईडला चल. So let's do the trading study. I'm understanding a lot, brother. A lot of mistake I was doing, and it's getting covered up over here. That is why that bullshit mistakes was costing me a lot more of money, and this bullshit Doraemon is costing me a lot of time. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. Look at that. So let's do the trading study. Signing off. Right now, mom dad is going out, and I'm like, I mean, they were asking me, you wanna come? And I'm like, I wanna, but I can't. I have to do the trading study. So let's do this. Bullshit Doraemon. Thank you for me. Thank you. Holy shit, this is so much new. Oh my god. Play this. That is gone played just because of me. They're appreciating my efforts. It's not. There's a waiting right there. But holy shit, have you saw that? The sparkle just fall down. But yeah, I feel like it is an appreciation for whatever I'm doing right now. The trading study, the struggling, it is what it is. Always think positive. Do not like negative people will like what the fuck they are blowing the fatake. What is in English word? Cracker. And I'm doing trading study. They don't understand how. No, brother. Always think positive. That crackers is
It's
being
1845.
banged for me because I'm doing the study. Like,
let's appreciate the beautiful weather of Miami today.
hey, he's appreciating. He's also appreciating. Wow, like wow.
Which channel looks like it's gonna
Pause. Look at this. Look at this. Like look at this. Look at this John right here. This beautiful sunset. Guys, Sangu, I love it. I just really love it. So, one more thing I want to talk. This is another type of trading. When I'm talking about that, I just fucking get happy. This is other type of trading. Not gonna lie, I never ever seen such type of trading ever. It's like I don't want to talk more. I'm not going to do the daily review because for a whole day we were just focusing on one lecture, but that lecture was whew, so big. I mean, I have to do my own analysis, then do this analysis, and then again like back and forth, back and forth. It took a lot more time. So right now is what the time is right now. Where it is? Yeah, 7:20. So we could we are going to do one more lecture, so we can be on the track now. Even if we're going to do the trading lecture. So look at this. This is a currently ongoing process. So fifth lecture is ongoing. So then sixth lecture we will be going to start, which is even if we finish the sixth lecture, lecture 6 will be down 1 and 2 lectures. So whew, so tough day. I will try my best to do it by today. If not, then tomorrow. But if not, we'll do it for sure. Let's go for it. Signing off. I wanna shoot a timeless brother, but I just can't because if mom and dad call me, holy shit, look beautiful. If mom and dad call me, I won't be able to listen the call is coming or not. So I'm just not taking the risk because they are out. They can call me for help if they wanted to. So I just don't wanna. They calling for help, and I'm just like not understanding, not knowing that they are calling me, and that if that call is urgent, I don't want to take that risk. So this is it. Let's do it. Yeah, we are now heading towards town side because things need to be get done. Because over here, the lot more mosquito is disturbing me. So telling Alex, brother will come back soon, and what he says. Look at this.
Tomorrow on my boat. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Take
Okay.
care, guys.
Okay, Alex. Okay. Oh my God. Signing off, brother. My favorite song is not this. Hold on, let me play. Ago. Advertise na.
My one blade.
Take this. Going. Should I keep over here? Yeah, looks good. I'm actually preparing the coffee. It's gonna take like 1 minute. I love this song. This is what y'all are doing? Music video. I love this reaction. Let's do this. Keep the screen in front of Mr. Diagon able to see his call comes or not. Hold on, man. Alright, so I took 1 sip of water. Then we are going to cut this. Nescafe is the most powerful than this brew. This brew is bullshit. Seriously, it doesn't even work. Oh, make it. Yeah, so let's add it. That's it. That's the coffee made. This is my second coffee in a whole day. Probably going to take 1 more coffee at night. Let me keep all of this, or mom will scold me like anything. I need to remove that. Hey. These guys are enjoying and what I'm doing. Let's make this. No water, no sugar, no milk, no bullshit. Just water, normal water, and just coffee powder. That's it. That should just heat like anything. I just see me. I also love this song. Doesn't taste looks good. Ah. Look, trips I pay for the bag, trips in the city, cute me taking cab. I'm cash, she act on gang, guarantee that she gonna make it clap. Yo, I put a beat in bags on and not paper, but my pagan's mad. Right there, mashing away, chop in the band, I'm gonna break it back. Look, I made it till I got VV's top to my richer man. My first day was a hundred, so it's minimum six, what I need for a deal. J-Shack and JB in the sleep, I can't die young, they pay. Bitch, one love, but still, I just tell her I'm taking still. I love this song. Empty. Now you just see me the power which is going to come. Okay. Do you realize that? Do you notice that I have changed the clothes? Holy shit! It's a penny. Yeah. Do you notice I have changed the clothes? Because I came home, got ready. Oh shit! Now got ready, so I got ready. That clothes were like used outside, so I don't want to use the clothes which is used outside in the house. So let's do the training study. Continue. But your work is done, my brother. Awesome song. We have successfully finished the lecture 5th. So now I have to type the learnings. So we'll do it, and then we go for the next lecture, which is next. I'm understanding the game, Like, my whole perspective have changed from this to literally to. I was looking this game as market come to the area of interest and a shift of structure, but now it is market come to area of interest and then shift of structure and break and retest and engulfing can and the times and all the time frame and the high probability this much. Guess what? That's why he has a high win rate. So right now I got a call from my neighbor to like they wanna again like they remove the bike, they remove the car, right? So they wanna park, so my car is again coming in middle, so they will you please take your car outside, and okay, what else I can, we have we have to manage, collaborate, whatever. What else? Let's go finding off. Literally, oh shit, where motherfucker? It literally took us half, nearly half an hour. Oh, what did color? This is not this wallet color is not been seen. Oh, if you see the focus. Brother, you won't even believe this downtime of my trading has a lot have taught. And this is maybe the missing piece of puzzle I was having. You won't even believe why I'm fucking laughing, because I'm understanding the market actually now. Like actually, previously understanding the market, but now understanding market student.